This is one Bop representing for Lionfoot TV. Yo, Lionfoot TV. She never know say a judgment till the one Bop bust inna the nostril. And when she buck up the whole Bop bill, one war and pussy get killed. Yeah, one Bop representing for Lionfoot, you know. You see me? You don't know. Right, you see you can come and hear what Lionfoot and one Bop all are reasoning. You see it? So, Lionfoot. But the people in here me have to say now.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, so don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Yes, man, blessed love and greetings, viewers and subscribers. Big up myself, give thanks to life. I don't know health and strength. You know, Lionfoot, the man of peace. Yeah, man, say big up all everybody on the platform. You know, I'm all up all respects. I'm just far from work, just forwarding from work. It's now like 2 or 3 in the morning. See, 2 a.m. in the morning now, and yeah, so because I'm reaching, and you know, I link up with Gully Bop son, one Bop. See, you know, one Bop have an understanding from at time. So me I say, yeah, man, and him share some things with me, and he ask me, say, oh, I put it out, so you know, I'm going to hear him, I say, relating to his father and his sister. He also mentioned Jackie, Gully Bop manager, the lady named Jackie, and he spoke about his granny. And yeah, when I listen to him, I hear the conversation. We conversate really well, and you know, he also talk about his music a little bit. So,
girl, your pussy are the best. Me say your pussy are the best. Girl, your pussy are the best. Huh?
Yeah, man, one Bop, Gully Bop son, see? Neko. Yeah, man, I have a song named Folkwar and another one. But I'm not going to hear the first one still. Yeah, they're produced by Galaxy Control, is what I say. Yeah, so I'm not going to hear what I'm going to say. So, big up on yourself. If you're new to the platform, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell. Is what I say. And peace and love, man. I'm blessed. Going to cool and you know, car. You know, had a long day today. Give thanks for the sunshine. Yes, when I say big up people, I'm living love and peace and harmony. And yeah, check out my EP, Welcome to Kingston. See? Yeah, Welcome to Kingston. 6 reggae songs. See, so big up all the positive people more than most like one of the songs after the EP. Yes, so I say, yeah man, so we are forward.
Girl, your pussy are the best. God bless when you take off your dress. And in the blink of an eye, she appear pantyless. And everything up on the clock, she want to have some sex. Me did not take it slowly, but she tell me say fi rough it up next. So me have me.
Yes, Neko, aka One Bop. Can you please make it known loud and clear that you're given me permission to put your voice, the reasoning that we have out there?
Yeah, father, send the thing on road, man. The people them need to hear the truth.
Honey in your throat, hood in your hole, fling up on the floor. You're begging me for more. Grab you in your ear, pull you out the door, fling up on the grass. I know I'm mad grass.
Yo, Neko, well on, brother, young Bop, everything blessed. Long time I hear from there still, but I don't know. You see me? Yes, I'll be a thing we should pop up again relating to your father. So that's why I reach out to your star cars. I don't want to know you're dead for him, you know. You see me? So what going on differently? Everything good?
Yeah, man, me there, man, me lie and everything alright, man, you see me? Just I go and easy back in the hot sun, you don't nice summer, you see me? Me I say, yeah, me see something put out, say the old man sick and rare and him a reach out to some people for help and thing. You see me? And me there, I go and watch how I go and see, cause right now, you see through him say the pitting them wickeder than the people them. I don't feel like the pitting them are gonna be so hasty to run towards him right now, cause the last time him there in the hospital, me do an interview. I'm gonna look for him, and when him come out of the hospital, him say nobody not come look for him. So right now, for him and grateful behavior, I don't feel like me I go look for him that time.
Yes, Neko, big up yourself. First and foremost, it's nice and good and a pleasure to know say you're safe and sound on the ground, you know. Cause a long time I hear no raps, you see it. Yeah man, but big up yourself. Yeah, man, because Jamaica, I just want to take care of himself and just keep it real and honest with people, same way. Same, because you're a good youth. But anyway, from the last time you went and to visit Gully Bop at the hospital, you know, see him from since that you say? Remember your old man that you know, Neko, so put all differences aside and, you know, just know so your father that at least you try to be the bigger person, you see me? And you can't tell what to do still, but that's all you have to stay still, is it? Yeah, man.
Yeah, me lion, but me I tell you, say, you know, say, me's a man more while I pass through in the grand spin and give him a one yell up, you see me, cause true, me I do the mechanic work, you know, me have whole heap of drive at my disposal, so I pass through and link him up more time, heal him up, you see me, and see say him alright and thing, I just pass and look on him and see say him alright and see say him there in him little piece of place to keep himself to himself, you see me, and more time we pass him, we dip on the front, sit down and me heal him, but on a certain Wednesday night, me a pass through Grand Spin after me and my uncle come from out and my auntie that I want we a keep him mother now, you see me? And me a come from out St. Thomas and we drop by in the Grand Spin there and I go down the road with him there and pass him and blow the hand and him not answer him, you see me? Go over across the road in a one bar and there and my uncle-in-law buy me a one special and we did a drink and a easy and a reason and him say, yo, me I go call over your father, man. So him call him cross the road and him come cross. Me there in the bar sit down, so him look pan Gully Bop and him say, yo, you know that man there? Gully Bop say, no, him no know me. You see me? So me I tell you some more time, I them thing that me I try to show you my boss. You want dead for a man, but a man no want nobody for dead for him. You see it?
Grab your laugh. What you say? Gully Bop say, I don't know, no? How recent was that? How recently was that?
Yeah, you know, so that about 4 weeks back before him end up in the hospital, you know, you see me? 4 weeks back, him said that, man say him no know me brother, and walk off and go about him business. So, as usual, you know, me there as a son, me feel a way, me start cuss, you know, and jump in a vehicle and go about my business too, you see it? And tell myself, say, yo, me nah pay the brother any attention again, you know, cause see say him want disrespect people all the while, you see me? So, you see me right now, me dey on the level where me just know, say, yeah, me dey have a father and him dey out there, but me is not the type, me not go kill myself to help nobody when I want to help, you see me?
Okay, I understand why you say still, Neko, and it's frustrating at times to know say you try and the person not change still, but you know I Gully Bop that still, and any idea your father, me not stop say that, because I grew without a father, you see me? My father just out from me at 3, you know, so, but you don't know how you go still. But talking about help, is Gully Bop in need of any help? Or do you think it was a wise move for him to go to Auntie Donna to seek help?
You see, the people them send the money to take care of Gully Bop. From him come out of the hospital 2021, the people them been sending money to take care of Gully Bop, right? And when them send the money to take care of Gully Bop now, Gully Bop now get the money directly in him hand. He might get when him forget out of the money, you know, him little take care and him little rare, you see me? Him no want it that way there. Bop want the money to mind the next picnic where him adopt. That I want him never leave alone. You hear that? You see that picnic there? That picnic there take a whole heap out of people. And you see to him have that picnic there as a burden upon him. And that's why him keep on a fall out with people to make him get money. So the people them decide them not collect no more money for Gully Bop because him not no manners. You get to me and say, and it all go back to this. Him want get the money personally in him hand so him can waste it and take care of that picnic there. Where him adopt. You get to me and say that little white picnic there. You see me? I guess so go on. You can't want to get money on a certain level and I do things that bigger than you. And expect the money to sustain everything. Gully Bop nah eat food, you hear my brother? No matter how much money Gully Bop get. Gully Bop get 20 grand today. By this evening that done, you hear that? And you nah see what Gully Bop buy. I just white picnic him keep on and spend the money pan over and over and over and over again. See him sick there and him still live pan the white picnic. You see me? Someone know say Gully Bop no need no help. I rehab him for go.
Jaja knows very shocking to hear this now, and you as a son, you talk like this. You know, I respect you and appreciate you. He needs help. That's why I say, don't give up on him still, you see me? Because John star. John. But anyway, this lady named Jackie, do you know her? And do you think she's a good person around Gully Bop? Yeah, I want you to answer this question honestly and fairly, because you know, due respect, her name has been mentioned that she's collecting all of Gully Bop royalties, etc. You know what I mean? So yeah, are you aware of that?
As I said to you, boss, based upon me here, and from my auntie this I come from, Jackie, send money come give up, send money come give up. Them that send money for start out back papers, the back go back for go England. You get me I say? And when everything I send and my auntie I run round and start out the papers them and I start out the papers them. And Jackie I send the money and my auntie I collect the money. I give Gully Bop. You get me I say? And then my auntie I run round and I run round. So apparently when him did for fly out, somebody did for fly out with him. So through my auntie now dead around him and dead around him now. When the time come when everything ready and them for say alright, them a go lift clutch now. The man turn to my mother, my auntie and say sorry. The man turn to my auntie and say, oh, a foreigner no want go. A foreigner no want go and start cuss and run away. So them nobody get to deal with nothing for him go up. So them decide so them not collect no more money for him and them something there. Yeah, the people them decide them not collect no more money for him because that is repayment. Even in the middle of something good they do for the man just get ungrateful out and nowhere. You hear that? See it now? Everybody alright now. The same auntie when him ask if a foreign she do want go, she fly out too much in time and come back and build up her big house out of St. Thomas and take her mother, take care of her mother now. And that me I try to show you now. So you see it? I am alone left in a way him left in a. So yes, the people that send money come give me. Yeah, as far as me know the woman is a good woman because she been sending money, it's just that nobody else out here now collect it. If you listen to the next lady where did that talk the other day, I forgot her name, what's she name? Olive? Supposed to Olive. If you listen to the next lady there, even she did send money come give Gully Bop out here one time. And Gully Bop cuss off the people who collect it because he want to get the money in him. And I hear the woman say, you cannot give Gully Bop the money personally because he might take it and spend it off. I told them no one talk about the white picnic where him have.
Okay, Neko, your sister that came out and spoke recently addressed Gully Bop to the father. How close are you to her? You know, do you think she has done the right thing by coming out and address her father like that?
Alright. She have a right for come out and address him that way there. Anyway she want to address him, me agree with her. Yeah. Any single way she want to address him, me agree with her. Because when the lady asks the question, if you have any children, him could have just simple say yes. And when them say where are they now, the best answer him they forgive, I don't know. When him a go say yes, and them worse than the people them. Some of them need even know them mama. Yeah, that a fit him comment. Let me tell you this man. You see them girl and them mother grow them. One, her mother have her when she was 13, one her mother have her when she was 14. And of them grow them are family. From back in a Gully Bop young days. When them the young and wild and free. You hear that? And at this age, where she end up have 5 kids of her own now. You see me? And she now have to run around and seek help. She have ambition enough to do her thing. Her father never help her with nothing at all. Her father no know school fee pay, him no know she go to school, him no know nothing about her. You get what me I say? The last time she see him was when she about 12 years old and him drop her off up our grandaunt up in the hills. She no see him back from them time there. She used to take me one time and carry me a town come look for him before we get money. It end up that the people them round him and to give him money because him not have none because of the white picnic where him adapt. You get what me I say? And me I tell you say, she can address him any way she feel like she address him because him no mind her. Him no mind the next one. Him no mind me. So him not fi come talk about no picnic wickeder than no people because when him dey have him money, him never spend it on no picnic or people, him spend it on.
And how is your grandmother? Mama Bop. Make sure you look out for her now. And big her up, see? I'm gonna link you half of the year relating to Mama Bop, see? Yeah, man.
I tell you about Mama Bop now. Miss Nama. Yeah, Gully Bop mother. Right now, Gully Bop mother live like a queen right now. You see me? My auntie have her out of St. Thomas in a fair place. You see me? And for show you how my auntie nice, my auntie carry her mother out there. When she just put on her first room and her living room and her mother sleeping in the room and my auntie resting in the living room. Hear that? At that my auntie do take her mother from Grand Spen and carry her to St. Thomas out in her nice house so she build up out there. You get me and say so Mama Bop well alright. Not even Mama Bop, Miss Nama. Cause I don't think she go take the title Bop if you try call her so. Miss Nama. Yes. She alright, well fine.
Alright, Neko, let the people them know about your music and them things. Talk a little about the music now and big up yourself, see? All the people of respect. And remember, I'm going to link you for the year relating to Mama Bop. I shout to her, my leave work, see? Big up yourself.
Yeah, man, me there, you know, boss. I go and try the music here too. There around some youth, you see me? I want to put out 2 songs. I have record nearly 3 months now, you see me? I send you one of them. You see it? So, they are just 2 music videos I want to shoot for them still. I just a funding still, but you don't know. I try still, I make it, you know. I just a funding, but I get it from somewhere. You see me, boss? I'm there still I go and do 2 little mechanic work. I go and easy under some car. I get grease up like a grease monkey. You see me, alright? You see it? Otherwise, you see me, boss? Over there. Bless up yourself. You see it, lion foot.
Alright, Neko. Yeah, I'm relating to the video shooting. Anytime you're ready for the video, just let me know. I'm going to try to contribute something towards it, you know? Make it small. Is it? Yeah, man. And big up yourself and someone stay safe on the gravel and go on there mechanic work. Better days are ahead. Is it? Bless and love. Alright, my viewers and subscribers, Kings and Queen and Lioness. Now I want to hear what Neko has to say. I'm going to leave Uno for 7 hours in the comment section because, you know, and it's really sad to know that still, you see me? And yeah, that's how the thing goes. And no one is perfect. Everyone has an addiction. My addiction is depression. It comes and goes, you know. Whether you're depressed over a week and I was fighting, struggling, ignoring people, ignoring family, everybody, you know, not talk to nobody, no answer, no call. But that is my addiction. You know, I say years I fight it. So I say, so yeah man, Gully Bop needs help and you know the white baby there is hard for him to get rid of. You know, it's hard. We just have to pray. So I say, and yeah, big up on yourself. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe and click the bell. See? Cool shots. And remember to give Neko the support musically. So I say, yeah, one bop. Yeah man. Some bad, I like it. But I'm gonna give it a full review still, you know. Yeah man, big up yourself, one bop. Blessed love.
She start squirt, and never my fault. She say me mighty, me say I one God. Time pass on, baby born. I watch a little young spring a running at the yard. She never know see a judgment till the one pop bust in a the nostril.